News just in. The firework display at Braintree Rugby Club last night was a complete success. Everyone that went thought they had a really good time. I'm going to go over and show you some of the footage we took from the show. Hold on. In other news tonight, 2 trained killers are on the loose. Let's go over to our correspondent Wayne, who's at the Eiffel Tower, to hear a bit more. Wayne, over to you. Thanks, Paul. In other news tonight, police are on the lookout for what they're calling the Hindleys again. It's been 20 years, but you know what? Look out for these people. Here's the first photo fit. So Wayne, can you give people any advice on what to do if they do see these people? Thanks, John. Yeah, police are saying do not approach these people. They were last seen in Paris, but they're on their way to Braintree in Essex. So please be on the lookout for them. Don't go anywhere near them, chaps. Thanks, Wayne. I hope you make it back from Paris safely. Right, that's about it. But please, don't have nightmares. Only 1 in 5 people get murdered in their beds at night. So sleep easy. Until tomorrow night, sleep tight, won't you? Have a nice cup of Horlicks. Good night.